It's only 10 at night and I'm not even that tired, so I'm gonna go play for a while and then I'm probably just gonna call it a day. But yeah, this is my bed. I've been sleeping here for like months now. Actually, ever since I put the mattress on the floor, I've been sleeping on it. And that's my friend's scooter. They'll know who they are. And then I bought that scooter and everything else in this room except the dresser. I think my friend gave me that one. I don't know, but look, my feet. I do not even care what you want to tell me. Because that means I get a box of noodles. That's good. I mean, well, for takeout, I hope. We need to praise the Lord now. Okay, so where are we going? None of your business. Wouldn't you like to know? This is a Dr. Seuss Dr. Giddim's door. I don't even know what you're talking about, but this street sweeper definitely does function as it should. So Brooder should make something like this. But this was only $20, but it does actually have a vacuum. So yeah, this one is better than the Brooder one and it's cheaper. But look, she did this knob. See this knob? Not that I would care. I like how you can like slam that door as hard as you can and it won't like slam. See, we're gonna go to Denny's and have a Grand Slam pancake pig. Let's do it. Look, see, this is a Dylan. Wait. No. We need to dump all these blocks out. See, we're at the construction site, so we're gonna build. Let's do it. But yeah, Brooder never made a matte granite truck with a clamshell bucket. They never made that, but I did, so they don't really need to do anything now. Well, maybe for other people, if they want it, they'll have to make it for them, not me. Now when you heard that, that means it's almost time for church with that Tommy guy. It's almost time to be a Tommy guy. Look, there's a Tommy guy. Evicted. See, that's an Ivan guy. He's like, milk is spoiled, don't drink. I mean, well, duh. It's not like you would find me rummaging around trying to drink that stuff anyway. That. We're gonna build an elf garden. Let's do it. What? That's a camera guy. We're gonna build Keebler. Actually, we're gonna talk to that Pablum guy. Yeah, we're gonna talk to that guy. He might know it. Did I write a date on this toy? Did I? Well, I was dumb enough not to date toys. I don't know when I got this in 2023. I just don't know when in 2023. But it's almost 3 years old, I'm just gonna say. But yeah, this is the old Road Max dump truck. This was $45. And their new one was $48. And it's a little bit larger. And it just looks more normal in my opinion. And the plastic feels about the same actually. So no difference in quality, but I like the newer tipper truck is much better in my opinion. Again, some people are gonna like this one more. Look, see, this is Denny's. See, we're gonna build a house for those penguins so the door doesn't open. free mints. This isn't a field trip, Melman. See, that's how you know that is a subway bathroom. See, that's how you know that's a gravity door. You just can't beat a good salad, can you? I'm doing it. You might want to be explicit and say how or what you're doing. This is how you know that we're almost finished. This. Yeah, but having a lot of dump trucks is so nice because I never used to have all this. And what you can and cannot do to that fish guy. This is a tree. Wait, I have an idea. I'm curious. We have a lot of green pieces. This is how you know that that's a bone seesaw. This little whatever this thing is, I don't know. And then we're gonna open 2 surprise toys at the end. Yay! Can't wait. Is next door. That's a butt crack door. See that trash can? No. I didn't know anything about that now that you told me. Little Bill Glover. Look, my name. That is racist. I didn't even do anything. What do you mean? I was just saying Little Bill. Like, what does that have to do with anything? Well, it means that Tommy guy. I don't get this. Why are you obsessed with this? No reason. Look, see, this is Aunt Candy. Yay! Wow. I've done a number on you today. Look, see, this is a pablum thing. This flag here, this is Carson. Remember that. Because that is a toilet. This is the sound of a gym. I'm not actually fond of what you're telling me. That's an egg. I don't care if it's an egg or whatever you want to say it is, but I'm not gonna... Look, see, this is Denny's, this. We're gonna build that little Marvin Gaye Mooney thing. We're building a Marvin Gaye Mooney thing. Wait, we're gonna build a Marvin Gaye Mooney book ladder. Let's do it. We're gonna build an Aiden book ladder for Walmart. Let's do it. Well, you better make him a good clown because I do not want him to wreck my carnival. Because I will not let him wreck my carnival. Yeah, that's pretty exquisite, don't you think? Well, I mean, in a way, I guess, but don't you think you're being a little dramatic? Keep that nonsense to yourself and everything is going to work itself out because it's not my problem. Oh, crap, I made one of them taller than the other. Oh, that's just how it is. That's how it works. I'm building a Walmart Aiden book ladder. Let's do it. It is actually a little bit cold in here, even though it's like 50 outside. But once it starts to warm up in the spring, then it won't feel so cold. Because that oven is mommy. That's the only thing I have for it. You gotta be kidding me, man. I didn't even... Wait. Those wheels is exactly what I need for this Marvin K. Mooney thing. Like, where... I don't know anything about what you're telling me, because that is a table. That's really all that there is to it. You have to wrap it up twice and keep it 100 feet away from the campsite. It's very dangerous. Because the donkey... because that's how you know it's almost done. Because that thing is doing it. Look, see, I found a Marvin K. Mooney thing. That. Ew, that's gross. See, when we're at church, we pretend to be shepherds. That way we can be a cane. Look, see, this is a pablum thing. This is pablum. Look, see, this is a tour guide. That. This is a saxophone. I don't really understand why you're saying this to me right now, because it really doesn't make any sense. Oh, well, too bad. Look, see, that is a Walt cane. Okay. Not comprehending a thing, but I don't care. Wait. Where did the wheels go for that? Wait, hang on. Wait, how about we just make an Aiden Marvin K. Mooney thing with this? Let's do it. Because it has can wheels on it. That we're gonna build a Marvin K. Mooney thing. Let's do it. Wait, I have an idea. Why don't we just yeah, I think it's better off like, well, yeah, I think it's better off that way. Yeah, I think okay, I think I know how to make a smaller Marvin K. Mooney thing. The last thing I want is Aiden to punch me in the face, because the Walmart ladder doesn't look good anymore. And I'm sad because I got no clown. Like, I really am depressed. Because I thought that for my birthday party, I thought the clown was invited, but apparently he's dead. So I was brought down in tears when I heard that the clown died. And that was the end of that. No more clowns ever came to my future birthday parties. So that's your lesson, kids. Don't drink that. This is a Marvin K. Mooney thing. Look at. Wait, I want to see how tall I can make it before it starts to get wobbly. Look, see, this is a Wally thing. Oh, it actually kind of does look like a Wally thing. You're right. That's the sound of a Hummer dessert. Whatever that meant. Don't ask. Because I'm not here to tell you about talk. This is a cozy garden. Okay, I don't really care. It's not like you care about me, so I don't care about you. Because I guarantee you, if you did care about me, then things would be a little different. This is a Dr. Seuss, Dr. Kiddums thing. This. Choo choo, that's right, Rosie. I'm sorry, what? Oh, did I misinterpret something? No. This part is Thomas. Like, see, I ripped the Marvin K. Mooney thing off, but now it looks like Thomas. I don't get it. That's fine. This is a camera. This thing. Like, I don't even think people care anymore. Like, it's just bullshit. This is a fish car. Look, see, this thing is a fish. Look, see, this is a train station. Yay! Look, see, here, like, here comes a lemon. Look, see, this is a Debbie thing. Look, see, this is, here comes a boat. This is, look, see, I'm going to go fly a kite. Here it goes. This is a Polar Express. Wait. I just got an idea. Look, see, this is an Arthur book. These are no fish. See, these telephone things aren't that bad. Not anymore. No. Now that you mentioned it, I'm there. This is a try. Oh my God! What did you do? Look, see, this is only. This is only in Texas. This tub is not allowed here. This is only in Texas. Look, see, this is an Aiden Walmart thing. That. This is Trevin. This. So like every piece right here is called Trevin. Not necessarily. No. But I mean, you know, generically, you know, camping, you cannot do it. You need to feed the fish now today before that toilet is doing it. Yeah, that's just what I was about to say. You know me. Always behind on stuff. Look, see, this is this is a Fox phone. That. This is a Jaguar cart. Wait. I'm gonna make an Uncle Tim thing. Let's do it. We're gonna make an Uncle Tim thing. Let's do it. We're gonna build a saxophone thing. Why can't you put these two together? What? It's literally the same piece and I can't put them together? You gotta be kidding me. Yeah, maybe these aren't so good anymore. Ridiculous. That's church. Nobody like you cares. Especially since those donuts are not me. I'm just saying because you're gonna thank me later when you're older, son. You better get a move on, son. Well, because that is a B drawer. I'm gonna build a saxophone. How about you join us, neighbor? How about you do it? Am I really part of the shitty community? Hey, no. See, that's when you're like stepping on that easel. That's good. Did I say that was good? Or what? Pretty much, you just said it was contradictory. Anyway, whatever that word meant, I don't know. That's a label table thing. There's no reason that's called label table. See, we're gonna build a pig. We're gonna build a Jamie pig carriage. We're gonna we're gonna build the I love you very, very much. We're gonna build that Jamie carriage. Let's build that. Lammy loves you very, very much. See, we're gonna build that Jamie carriage with like wheels on. Let's do it. We're building a Jamie carriage. Jamie carriage? Yeah, you heard me. Oh, maybe I'm deaf. As the violins play. Yes? Any other context you'd like to add? Your Highness? No. That's what I thought. I was afraid of that. Well, of course not. Waving a #1 flag just means baseball's good. I don't even know what you're trying to say. What if Lammy's dead? It's not like I had anything to do with it. Maybe you did. Maybe you're like the missing piece for the puzzle piece for that door that's closed. Yeah, I think that's probably gonna cut it loose, right? Don't know what you're trying to tell me. We're building the Jamie buggy. Won't be back till noon. See, that's a cow. I mean, I'm just telling you the truth. Oh, I don't think the truth is enough. Here's some water for you to drink. See, that menu has no things that do anything. For very young children, it's a high chair. How about you just shut up? I love Lammy very, very much. That's a Jamie carriage. See, that's a good buggy. And it has wheels on it. I don't even know anymore, bro. I don't know what you're trying to get at. Nothing. See, I'm doing good for building the Jamie carriage. Let's do it. This is a saxophone thing. This is a saxophone thing. Then why don't you keep your little mouth shut until I'm done today? Look, see, I built a Jamie carriage. Look, this is a Jamie. This is an excellent tub. I love it. Look, see, we're gonna build a fish bridge. Let's do it. Where's the other part of this that I? Oh boy, see, that's a duck. I don't even want to know. This is a little thing that. Look, see, this is the sound of what fish sound like in Mexico. This is literally a fish instrument they play in Mexico, and it sounds like this. See, now we're gonna play whale sightseeing Beulah. Let's play! Yay! This is a saxophone. Look, see, this is a Jasper thing. Wait, look, see, this is a Baldy. This is a telephone car. This is a Jasper saxophone thing. Oh, golly. I don't even know what the hell's going on. Look, see, this is a good car. I love this cat. Look, see, here comes a mouse. I hate you, Mom. See, that bear! I don't want to go inside. I want cookies. Get in here right now. Come on, little brown bear. See, that's a good bear. I found Scott binoculars. This thing. These are Scott binoculars. Okay. Look, see, this is Jasper. This thing. See, this is a saxophone. I don't really care what you think it is, because there's no bread. Yes, I mean, I think so. I don't really want to go into detail because that is a little interesting. This is a Polar Express. Look, see, this is this is a cam car. This. I really don't even want to ask what I think that's gonna mean to me. Look, see, this is Scott. This thing. It's a helicopter. How do we build a 7-Eleven door? Then that sounds like a great idea. Let's do it. Exactly how are we building a 7-Eleven door? Well, I know they look like label table doors. I have no clue what those are. I don't even want to know. I'm building a Leslie microwave. Oh, toaster pancakes. Nothing. This is church. This thing. Let's see. This is how you know that. I don't even know. See, this is the little Tykes church card. That. You just drive me bananas. You know that? I mean, in a good way, I hope. Look, see this tub? I love Rachel Ray. See this thing? This is a train station. We're gonna play this Othello thing. Let's do it. What else can I like throw that won't break? Like, I don't really see anything. This is a Bat Polar Express. Look, see, this is a pumpkin car. Yay! This is Ramon. No way! I snapped one of the wheels off of it. No way! One of the wheels just came off. We can fix it, I think. Oh, I think the wheel's broken. I think the wheels are meant to be snapped off. Look, Cece, we're gonna build a Rachel Ray coal cart. Let's. This is a coal cart. Look, I did it. Look, see, this is Gordon. See, we're gonna build a Target Aunt Candy thing. Let's do it. Go. This is a tree. This is Pablum.